This little guy just scared the crap out of me. He just jumped straight out from the side. Whew. It was close. It was like if he stayed exactly where he was, he would have been fine. And I couldn't see him because he was behind a little bush. Anyway, so watch out. Watch out. They can be anywhere. Just waiting to get ya. Anyway, announcement over. I just missed the turn, but it looks like it's about to get kind of interesting, so thought I'd turn you back on. A little bit more interesting anyway. Whee. Yeah. Oh, big stone. Just riding through the forest on my motorcycle. Yeah. I hope there are no bears that come and get me. Tree, bloody hell, wants to take your head off. Ooh. This is a very big difference to what I have been riding. Oh, marbles, marbled. I mean, this is still a better road. A bit more interesting. Looks a bit cut up. I must say, I've had really great weather. Oh, hello, Mr. Deer. But yeah, like, so far, I've had perfect weather. Ooh. And there's a rainstorm following me, I think. So every time I look at the radar, in every spot that I get to, it always says that the next day will be sunny, but after that it rains. And then I go further north, and then it's the same forecast again. The next day will be sunny, but after that it rains. So I think when I eventually get to Nordkapp and turn around, I'm gonna come back through a rain. But we'll see. We'll see. Maybe it dissipates before it reaches Nordkapp. Look at the vastness. Just the emptiness. And yet there's power lines. Anyway. So empty though. Look at it. Okay guys, we're going to do TET section 11. Just a tiny little section that goes up to a hilltop. A very small hilltop though. I must say. I thought it was going to be bigger. But anyway, we're going to take this little detour and see what it's all about, because it is here. So maybe the creator of this TET route found it interesting to go up there. So let's see. It's just been straight roads like this for the last hour. Like nothing too interesting. So I'm gonna take this little detour. I've got to come back the same way, but hopefully there's actually something interesting up on this hilltop. And if not, I'm just gonna eat my lunch anyway and carry on riding. I mean, I can't even see a hilltop at the moment. Where is this hill? I think it's that one over there. So there is a little hill. Is there a peak? Oh, there's a peak, okay. Maybe it's interesting. We'll find out. Hopefully I get a decent view and we can see the vast forest land. Oh yeah, there's a proper peak up there, cool. And I'm not going to be here again, so might as well take the detour and have a look. But I'll tell you what, distances don't look as big as they actually are on this map. Like this map, I thought this mountain was so close, but turns out it's not. Turns out it's a few extra kilometers. Turns out the mountain is bigger than I thought as well. Have a look at ya. Oh, there's a deer. You see him in the middle of the road, or on the side of the road. It's okay, buddy, I'm not coming for you. Nice antlers though. Maybe I'll come and get you later. Oh, ooh-ah. Couldn't do anything about it, had to just ride through it. Ooh-ah, there's another one. Ooh-ah. Maybe I'll get the hint and slow down. Although sometimes going fast over it is the only option. That way you don't go into the pothole, you sort of skip across it. It's crazy, it's quite a big mountain and I couldn't see that from back there. Wild. It looks volcanic. Like the dirt that's on it looks like it's black. Anyway, let's see. It might have been dirt or it might have been big stones, so my eyesight ain't that great. I think that was a snake on the road. Do you guys have snakes? If so, I just saw it. I saw the snake. The one snake of Finland. Is this my turn? Sure does look like it. Let's go up the mountain. Up the mountainside. Why are there all these signs? What are they trying to tell me? Is this like snow markers? Oh my god. The road is silty. Or at least it was just there. I don't know if you saw my handlebars move just then. I went through a silt patch. Or a sand patch or something. Woo! Oh jeez. Did it again. Hey, that's what happens when you've been riding non-technical stuff. Oh, watch out, little deer. Don't just relax on the road. Run off the road. Don't make me chase you. Turn left. Turn left. All right. Go right. Yay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Ah, little washouts. Very tasty. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Tasty hill climb. This is much more like it. Bit more fun. A rut. What am I in? Third. I'm in third gear, guys. Oh, there's some rocks up here. I gotta come back down this. Fun. Apparently I'm almost at the top. And of course there's a weather station or something up top. I might drop to second. Oh yeah, there's going to be a nice view. Oh man. A little bit more technical for you guys. Not a learner's climb. Not completely a learner's climb anyway. And we are at the top. Oh yeah, good spot for a lunch. Look at it. Wow. Worth the detour. Got a little pooper. Oh wow. Have a look at this view, guys. I don't know which direction I've just come from. Maybe that. I think there. I've just ridden through all of this vast landscape. Vast nothingness. Wow, that's amazing. So, hear me, hear me. If you are riding this TET section, oh what a... If you are riding this TET section, don't miss section 11, because it's worth it. 'Tis worth the extra bit of distance. Maybe it's 15 kilometers extra. Maybe not. My kilometers are all out of whack. I reckon maybe 10 k's extra. 10 k's out, 10 k's back. Anyway, I'm gonna have me a spot of lunch. Just a Snickers. Snickers. I might go and park my bike down here though, and I'll get a couple of photos, a couple of happy snappies. Okay gang, I spent maybe 20 or so minutes up here, had me lunch. Now it's time to head back down, see if we can get down this sketchy road. It was just sketchy because it's a bit steep and there's all these like bouldery bits, so I'm just going to keep it in first and roll down. Yeah, like, I don't know if you guys can tell, it probably doesn't look steep either, but it is quite steep and it's all like marbly rocks, so the tires don't necessarily go where you want them to go. Anyway, but a lot easier going down than it was to go up. That was the sketchy bit. The rest is a piece of puss. Piece of puss, bro. Yeah, God. Who let this guy in? Oh, it was Trev. Now, while I was standing up there, I saw only one vehicle, and it was a car, so boring. If it was a moto, I would have waited, because it looked like they were probably coming up this way. But it was a car. We don't like cars. They're boring. Again, you guys probably can't see, but it's quite steep. Anyway, I say that again, if you're doing this TET, don't miss that detour. It's worth it. Worth the detour. Gives you a bit of a break from the dirt road. Oi. Bit of activity, gives you a view. And you get to do a fun little hill climb. Now, that hill climb is not for beginners. That's for sure. You need intermediate. Oh, here's the car I saw before. Are they letting me? Legends. Thank you. Anyway, they'll have a bit of fun when they get closer to the top. Like I was saying, yeah, I saw one car and that was them. I was hoping to see another motorbiker, but it's not to be. No motos for me. Just every now and then, like right here, there's like a sandy silt section. Sandy silt section. And it could catch you out if you're not paying attention, guys. Anyway, back on the boring straight roads. I'll catch up with you a bit later. I just wanted to show you guys this. I think this is an old riverbed or an ex-glacier or something. Look at all the stones. Only water does that. And it's in like a valley section and it runs all the way down there. Anyway, cool. Maybe an old glacier. Very old. Hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of years ago. Maybe. Not anymore, because we're warming. Because we're global warming. Anyway, that was the most interesting part of the last half an hour. Anyway, go back to sleep, guys. I'll wake you when we're there. Whoa. The bicycle place. I finished the tet. I came out at this town. I don't know what it was called. I'll show it on the map. I put air back into my tires. And I am doing a road section to Inari now. Anyway, this is Inari. I'm not staying. I'm gonna carry on. I'm back on the tet. I will be on the tet for the foreseeable future. And then we're looking for a campsite. Okay guys, I might switch you off until I find a campsite. Good luck to me. Alright guys, pretty much as soon as I turned you guys off, there was a road just coming off to the right near a lake. Lake's just down there. There's a spot there. I'm gonna go for a swim. Bike's here. I'm thinking this is gonna be my camp spot. It looks like that's where people do it. So I'm gonna set up my tent just here. We've got a little campfire over there, although I don't think I'm gonna have a campfire tonight. I'm just gonna maybe do my my easy meal, boil meal, go for a swim, and hit the hay. I've had a big day. I think it ended up being about 550 kilometers. But no, all in all, it was a good day. And then we had that one hill climb. It was decent, it was good. And it was a nice view at the top. That's section 11. Anyway, I'm gonna set up camp. I'm gonna go for a swim, have a wash, and then I'm gonna make some dinner and go to bed. If you enjoyed this video, give us a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers guys, peace.